Here's another fun way to work on tripod grasp and finger coordination. Simply take a baggie and a couple of colors of paint. So I have some acrylic paint here, and then I also have some Crayola paint over there. And all you're going to do is squirt in the paint and pick another color so we have something to mix and squirt it in. And then we're going to close up the baggie. This is important. We don't want this paint coming out. And we're just going to use our fingers to try to mash the two colors together. And what do we know about red and blue? It should make purple. So it's just a really nice, simple way. Not a lot of strength required. So if your child doesn't have super strong arms yet and you're still working on that, this is a great little activity to get their little fingers moving and just starting to get that coordination. And as you keep working at it, you will eventually have those two colors completely mashed together, and you will get that nice new color. Red and blue makes purple. So there's just a really simple way. You can take some paint, especially this is great for kids that don't like to get their hands messy. This is a great little activity where they can do a little bit of painting designs, and then when you finish mixing it up, you can get all the air out of there. There you go. And we have a nice little canvas where we can maybe start drawing our letters or practicing our shapes and drawing shapes in there. And it's just a nice little canvas. Also gives some texture for some of those kids that like that sensory play. This is just a nice versatile activity that you can use and have lots of fun with, and it doesn't make any mess as long as you do that Ziploc up correctly. So go have some fun, and I will see you next time.